Welcome to a demonstration of OpenStack, the Cisco Nexus 9000 and F5's BigIP. My name is Jeffrey Wong and I am a solution architect here. We'll be showing you an OpenStack integration between the Nexus 9000 and the F5 BigIP. You can quickly orchestrate network changes with L4 through 7 services in OpenStack. We'll be using an OpenStack compute environment with the Nexus 9000 platform. Here you also see the F5 BigIPs. First, we'll show you that the Nexus 9000 switch has a basic configuration. We also show that the links going to the OpenStack compute host are minimally configured. All right, first we go into Horizon. Going into Horizon, we need to go to the correct project, otherwise known as a tenant. We're going to create a new VLAN-based network. We also assign the appropriate IP address space. Next, we need to go and configure DHCP for our host guest. Here we are going to use the range of 10.20.0.100 through 10.20.0.200. Now we have the network created and the respective topology will be shown. Now we have to go and create a couple of virtual machines for a demonstration here. We are going to attach them to the correct networks. Here we are going to use the Ceros image since they are fairly quick to provision. We'll create 2 of these. While the provisioning is taking place, let's take a look at the Nexus 9000. We'll see that the Nexus 9000 starts to create the required VLANs for our environment here. One thing to note about the VLANs created, OpenStack will prefix the VLAN names with OS for easy identification. Once the VMs are up and running, 10.20.0.100 and 10.20.0.101, now we need to go and add in the load balancing functionality known in OpenStack as adding high availability. First, we need to create a pool object. This allows us to add pool members to it. To do this, first we add the protocol and the selected load balancing method. Now, once we have the pool created, we need to add pool members to it. Remember those servers that we spun up? Those will be our pool members. So we go ahead and select them. The last thing we need to do is make sure we add a VIP for the pool. We need to make sure that the VIP is outside of our DHCP address range. Here we are going to use the IP address of 10.20.0.254. We also have to add in the correct protocol and the port. The last thing we do is we need to create a pool monitor, and then also to ensure that the servers are good, we will be using a simple ping monitor to assure that the servers are up and alive. The next thing that we have to do now is go over to the BigIP and ensure that everything is correctly configured on it. We go to the correct UUID partition, check that the pool is up, the members attached, the VLANs are correct, and also that the self IPs are correct. We see that the VLANs are automatically provisioned and assigned. We now need to test to make sure everything is working as expected. We'll use our connected router in the network. First thing we're going to do is do a ping to the VIP. And we see that it works. Now we do our final check to see if we can actually SSH to the VIP address. If it is working, it should connect us to one of the pool members. And we see that we are in. We check to see where we are, and we see we are inside one of the pool members. Thanks for watching.